Welcome to Camtasia Studio 7. If you're new to Camtasia Studio and you want to get started quickly, you're in the right place. We encourage you to watch this 5-minute video to learn the basics of using the editor, including how to navigate the timeline, make some basic edits, and add special effects. The preview window is where you see the video during playback. The playback controls are located under the preview window. In fact, the video you're watching in the preview window is a sample project playing directly from the timeline you see below. After you watch this video, we hope you take some time to practice what you've learned using the content on the timeline. So let's start with the timeline. This is where you assemble and edit your videos. At the top of the timeline, tick marks represent time in terms of minutes and seconds. When building a video, you'll work in a horizontal manner, beginning from the left and moving sequentially through time towards the right. To make precise cuts and selection, use the zoom slider to magnify the view of the timeline. And when adding elements to your video, such as a call-out or audio clips, these are placed on different tracks. Tracks are created automatically, when you need them, when elements are added to the timeline. So depending on your video, you may be working with several tracks at one time. To change the position of an element on the timeline, just drag it. To change the length of an element, drag the edges in either direction. An important part of the timeline is the playhead. The playhead moves the timeline and indicates the current frame displayed in the preview window. To view your video, click play in the preview window. Notice how the video and the timeline's playhead stay in sync? Click anywhere on the timeline and the playhead moves to that point. The green section of the playhead is called the in point. Click and drag the in point to make the beginning of a selection. The red section of the playhead is called the out point. Just click and drag the out point to make the end of a selection. To bring the sections of the playhead back together, double-click the gray playhead. To split a video clip, position the playhead at the desired location and click the split button. And if you want to remove a portion of your video, make a selection with the in and out points, then click the cut button. If you make a mistake while editing, click the undo button. Next, we'll look at the clip bin and the library. The clip bin holds recordings, audio files, images, and title slides being used in the project you're currently working on. Then there's the library. It stores video clips, intros, callouts, title slides, and other elements that you want to use from project to project. The library is also pre-populated with professional animations, music, sound effects, and other content you can use in your video for free. To add your own clips or video sequences to the library, make a selection on the timeline, right-click, and choose Add to Library. To include clips and other elements in your video, drag them from the clip bin or library and drop them onto the timeline. The tabs located above the timeline are task pages used for adding and editing special effects. You can add callouts to emphasize a key point. You can insert a transition between clips for a professional look. Apply zoom and pan effects to focus on important details. And draw attention to the cursor by changing the color, size, and more. If you double-click an element on a track, the playhead moves to the beginning of that element, and its task page opens, allowing you to make edits to that element. So we've shown you a few ways you can navigate and edit your video. But how do you get content into your video? Well, to make a new screen recording, click the Record Screen button. If you already have an audio or video recording to use, click the Import Media button. When you've made edits and added effects to your video and you're ready to share it, you need to produce the project to create a shareable video. Click the Produce and Share button, step through the wizard, and Camtasia Studio creates a viewer-friendly, shareable MP4 file ready to upload to screencast.com, your blog, or a website.
Jing is a fun and easy way to
Well, it's time for you to try Camtasia Studio out for yourself using the content on the timeline.
just like the one that I'm making
The help
right
file in
now.
Camtasia
With
Studio
Jing,
will help
can
you use
instantly
each
share
of the
an image from
Camtasia
your
Studio
computer
features
screen,
and
such as a map
applications.
or directions or a digital
The
conversation.
Learning Center on
Because as soon
TechSmith.com
as you
has
capture
in-depth
the
video
digital
tutorials
image,
and other sample
Jing
projects to
automatically creates
download
a
and
link
practice
that
with.
appears on your
So we hope
computer's
you enjoy
clipboard that is
Camtasia
ready to be
Studio.
pasted
And
into
happy
the window of any
screencasting!
browser. You can also make short videos of you engaging in any kind of computer activity, such as a tutorial that shows the steps of creating programming codes or how to navigate a web page. With the addition of a microphone, whether built-in or added, you can narrate your videos as well. Once your video is completed, Jing will provide a link for that too. If you don't want to do anything with the image or video immediately, you can also just save the link as an SWF file, which is a flash file, so you can use it again in the future or upload it to a social media site such as Facebook, Twitter, or Flickr. Jing does not allow the videos to be uploaded to YouTube automatically though. You must convert the video using editing software. For further information about different editing softwares, you can check out Camtasia or Snagit, which are also by TechSmith Corporation, Adobe Captivate, Apple Final Pro, or Pinnacle Studio by Pinnacle Systems. Jing is meant for any level of user, beginner to expert. Jing was created by the TechSmith Corporation in 2007 and was originally known as Jing Project. There are no prerequisites for learning how to use Jing. All you need is an email address to register for the free software. Jing can be used on either a Mac or Windows machine. Broadband is recommended with both machines. But the best part about Jing is that it's free. Jing is best utilized as a teaching tool and is often used in the classroom as well as in libraries. Because Jing is free and easy to use, it is a powerful tool for any library because the library can make tutorials about navigating their web page and using their catalog and then upload the videos to their website so that any patron can see them. Jing is a highly effective and cost-efficient way for libraries to teach their patrons how to search an OPAC. Now that you know all about Jing, let's actually see how it works. First, go to the TechSmith website where the free download to Jing is provided. Click on the download and download your Jing. Once you have downloaded Jing, you can start using it immediately. After you have downloaded Jing, a yellow sun will appear in the upper right corner of your screen. This is a Jing application. When you click on the sun with your mouse, 3 rays come out. The first ray is the crosshairs, which allows you to control the amount of the screen that you want to capture. Once you've selected the area you want, Jing gives you the option to either capture an image or capture a video. If you choose video, be aware that Jing does not allow you to edit your videos, but you can pause and restart them. If you choose to capture an image, Jing provides ways for you to manipulate the image. You can create text boxes, draw arrows, and point to things, make frames around things, or highlight an image. You can also do each of these actions in a different color. For example, you could create a red arrow, write your text in green, and highlight everything in yellow. Once you have completed your video or screenshot, you can either save the image or share it. But remember that if you choose to share it, you must convert the video using an editing software. Here is an example of a manipulated screenshot that I made. So here is the highlighting, here is my text box, an arrow, and a frame. The second ray is your Jing history, which is where your videos and screenshots are saved to automatically. But you can also just save them on your computer as a file. The third ray is the settings button, which provides a help section and also allows you to change your preferences. Now that you are comfortable using Jing, have fun creating your own screenshots and videos. Thank you for listening.